Hey, it's Ken, CRNets Motorsports. Today's video we're featuring this 2008 Yamaha YZ250F, the 4-stroke. We picked it up, it was in sad shape. I had to strip it all down, rebuild everything. It worked out well, and at the end you'll see if we get it started or not. So, just wanted to introduce this, and let's get on with the show. Hey, this is Ken, CRNets Motorsports. Just wanted to take a quick second to remind you to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, means the world of difference to us. And if you have a friend who might be interested in the video, please share it. So, thank you very much, and let's get on with the show. We got the YZ all put back together, and Casey goes to start it, and it kicks his butt. Note to self, don't lay a bike over for an hour. Do some work on changing the oil line, and then stand it back up and expect it to start right away. You'll see Casey get his butt kicked. Hear it?
It's like it's getting looser.
It's right there. It ain't working.
Are we sure it's from there?
Oh, you know what? It may be that other one. Yeah. All right, let's see how Casey's leg works today.
It's slippery.
Sounds smooth. Yeah. Well, we got the bike started. Did you hear that noise? We did. Something's not right. We reached out to a friend, and that is a gentleman by the name of Pete, and he does a YouTube channel, and he goes RROHV. He does many of these Yamahas and many other bikes too. He does outstanding work. I suggest you take a look and subscribe. He does a great channel, very in-depth and detailed. But he was kind enough to call me back after I sent him a link to the video with that noise. And he said, hey, can't guarantee it, you need to investigate, but it sounds like a chain tensioner issue. So we pulled the engine out and we got it, had to hide everything because we were painting the Honda over here. We got it all underneath the blanket, ordered a new chain tensioner, and gonna put it on, and we'll see if it goes away. And we're gonna look at a few other things too, but that's for another video. But just wanted to let you know where we stood on this one. And we're making progress here with this Honda. We're real close. I gotta go out of town on business for a little bit, so I'm gonna put this to the side. And when I get back, we'll complete this, we'll get it running and deliver it back to its owner. So that's what's coming up on CR Nuts Motorsports. Enjoy yourself. Take care, guys.